Dira, this is Dallas Russell, and I just thought I seen the response you have for your cameras, for your ringtones. I mean, I just thought, hey, I'll show you a couple of my ringtones I have. Let me get to my ringtones real quick. Here's one I like. Took me a while to find a real one that I can actually use as a ringtone. This is also my favorite. I like that one. That one's the best. Oh. You know how you always send them out? Again, I forgot the voice, but now here's a legendary voice you might want. Here we go.
A data file has been sent to your comlink.
That's all the ringtones I can show you right now because I don't want to run my battery down. Okay, this is Dallas Russell. Anyone else sees it? I'm looking for more followers on Twitter. Just follow me at GreenDragon1991. Alright? See ya!